Hello, so in this video I will demonstrate you like how you can sync your Apple iCloud calendar with your Odoo's calendar using our module CalDAV Sync. So by opening the module, that is CalDAV Sync, what you need to do is you need to first create an account for your Apple iCloud calendar. So here I have named the account as Apple iCloud calendar. Then the server type will be selected as Apple iCloud. You need to add the calendar URL over here to sync all of the events from Odoo to Apple iCloud and Apple iCloud to Odoo's calendar. The username will be the email ID of your Apple account, and the password you will get it from your Apple iCloud account. After adding the credentials, you need to click on test connection, and once your Apple iCloud calendar is successfully connected, you will get this notification over here. Then the sync direction, the send invitation emails, and auto create contacts, the feature would be the same. Like if the sync direction is bidirectional, then you will be able to sync the events from Odoo's calendar to Apple iCloud calendar and from Apple iCloud calendar to Odoo's calendar. Then send invitation email will help you to send the emails automatically to the attendees as soon as you will create the event. Auto create contacts will create the contacts automatically of the attendees if not present in your Odoo database. Then I will go to my iCloud calendar and I will create one new event in the month of September. I will select the date as 10th of September and the time would be 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. and it is a single day event, not a recurring event. So this event is created over here in my Apple iCloud calendar. Now I will switch to my Odoo calendar, and in this account I will click on sync now. So here you can see like the sync is successfully completed. Now if you go to your Odoo's calendar in the month of September, you will be able to see this event has been created over here. Now I will open the event over here in Odoo, click on edit, and I will change the time from 12 to 1 and this from 1 to 3, and then I will click on apply and save the event. Now I will again go back to the account, click on sync now. So the sync is completed. Now I will go to my Apple iCloud and see the event. So you can see the timing has been changed from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. and it was for 1 hour, but from my Odoo's calendar I changed it to 2 hours. So the timing there is 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. So automatically here also in your Apple iCloud calendar the same has been updated. Now here if I change the name of my event, then if I again go back to my account in Odoo and click on sync now, so here you can see the sync is completed. And if I go to my Odoo's calendar in the month of September, the name has been changed over here. Now if I click on edit and change it to recurring event, number of repetitions 2, like every Thursday it is being repeated, saving the changes. going back to the account, clicking on sync now. So it is successfully synced. Now if I go back and check, so here also the events are updated and it has become a recurring event from the single event. Now here if I will add any attendees, and I have added an attendee over here. Now I will go back and click on sync. So now the attendee will be added over here as well. If I open, go to that month and click on the event, you can see the attendee has been added over here as well. Also in the contacts, the contact will be created for the same. So this was regarding syncing of your Apple iCloud calendar with your Odoo's calendar using our module CalDAV Sync. Thank you.